Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will see how to take the snapshot in DigitalOcean of your any droplet. So let's get started. Here you will see that I have already opened my DigitalOcean dashboard. So here we have an option to select the hello method. First of all, I would like to tell you how to reopen this screen. So let's go to wherever your droplet is located. My is in clients folder. So I have just scroll down a bit and I can see take a snapshot is here. First of all, before taking a snapshot, it is recommended to turn off your droplet. So you will go to your droplet and turn off it from here. I have already turned it off, so you can see that it is showing me as off. Let's move back to the to that screen. Go to take a snapshot. From here you have to select whatever instance you would like to snapshot. So I would like to take the snapshot of hello method. Then I will just simply click on take snapshot, but as I have already taken the snapshot just half an hour back, so I would not be taking that. Yeah, so that's all we need to do to take the snapshot. So let's see how we can restore our snapshot and how we can delete our existing droplet. From here I can just simply go to destroy. Remember, this won't delete the snapshot that we have created. If you would like to delete that as well, then you have to click on the show associated resources. From here you can see that this is the um, snapshot that I have created earlier. From here I can destroy it as well, but as I have taken the snapshot just for the backup purpose, so I won't be deleting that. Here you can see how much it is costing you per month. So mine is around 0.16 per month, and the total size of that snapshot is around 3.25 GBs. Okay, so yeah, I would like to just delete this droplet, so I will simply click on the destroy this droplet. Here is asking if I would like to really drop this droplet, then I will confirm here. Yeah, my droplet has been destroyed. So let's see how we can create a new droplet using the snapshot. You have to select the snapshots bar. From here you can select the Ubuntu hello method snapshot. I would like to take the regular one. So here I have already selected. My purpose is just basic, so I have selected basic. Yeah, location is according to the snapshot region that we have added to the snapshot. So here I will only see the New York. Yeah, let's see if that works. So you selected to use password authentication. Create a root password to create droplet. Okay, so it's prompting me to add an password. Now I can easily create the droplet. uh, it is also recommended to have the backups ready with you, but I am not taking that as I will be taking the backups manually. So I am just skipping it. I will simply click on the droplet. It would take some time to get the droplet ready, so let's just wait for some time. Just I wanted to confirm if my old IP will be allocated to me if I restored using the snapshot. So I'm just copying it just for the confirmation. Yeah, it is still working. I will be just pausing a video for some time so that you don't have to wait in the video. So our droplet is ready and I can see that new IP has been associated with my snapshot. So the IP will get deferred in case you are just dropping the old droplet. So you won't get the earlier IP. So yeah, that's it about the video. I hope you will like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.